So what I will show in the demonstration, in fact, we have deployed Frascati on several nodes around the world. On each node, we use the path or the YAS deployed on this node. And after, we have deployed SCA basic application just to experiment. And we have also experimented large-scale distributed monitoring application that is not one application that runs on just one node, but this is an application that runs on all the nodes of this peer-to-peer network. So I will just go and show a small demonstration. So if you have access to the network, you could also use this demonstration. You just need to go to the Frascati website and click on the link supported cloud providers. This is what I will do. So currently is the list of all the platforms that we support. In fact, we have a running Frascati instance on each of these platforms. And for instance, I will take the instance running on CloudBees. And on this instance, we have deployed a set of ACA applications. For instance, I will not show all this application, but we have an example of application that is a proxy to the HoloWest services. So this ACA application interacts with Holo services. We have just implementing a basic example of a computation services. Here is the computation of Fibonacci series. And we have other proxy to existing services. I will not show all these services. But what is more interesting is that these 5 applications and plus Frascati run on all the peer-to-peer nodes of our network. And we have also one application that interconnects all this peer. And in fact, this example of application that is also implemented with ECA is a small monitoring application that the goal is to access to monitoring information about this peer-to-peer network. So this is just the front end of the application, where we see where are deployed the Frascati node. And currently, I'm just running I have stopped all the other nodes and just keep the American node that run at the US. And this kind of this application, in fact, obtain information, monitoring information about each cloud. For instance, I could obtain yes. Okay. Okay. I could obtain a set of information about each node, but in fact, okay. So when I ask to one node, it could obtain the information of all the other nodes. So the information is not important here, is the EP address, memory, the number of threads, etc. Not important. But the application just adds the computation of latency between the nodes. And the line that we see on this picture, on this map, in fact, is one representation of the latency between the cloud. Stop. I have a lot of other things that I could show you, but I prefer to do that during the break. Okay. So, if you like, yes, if you see that, what we have tried to address is the portability on multi-cloud environment and the distribution between different clouds. And currently, we don't have a product that realizes this dream. But we are just a POC that shows that we could obtain this in the future. And this POC running, and you could access it. But when we address these two issues, that we have a lot of other issues to address in the next generation of cloud computing. For instance, multi-cloud provisioning is something that Compatiguan should address. But after you have provisioning an application on multi-cloud, you need to manage and control this application at runtime. So we have a lot of work to do with self-start property, or we could dream also to migration at runtime. So you start your application to Amazon, and dynamically during the runtime, you migrate to another operator. And another challenge that we want to address in the future is the multi-tenancy for ACA application also. But it's the same challenge that Jonas or other application servers try to address. I have finished.